Hello everyone, so today I will show you how to install the iOS 18 public beta update. So if we go to the software update, we can see we are on the latest software, that is iOS 17.5.1. So that's the latest software, latest iOS version which is currently out. So I will tell you how to install the beta update for the iOS 18 on any iOS device. So for that you have to first go into Safari. You have to get into this website, which is beta.apple.com. It will show you page something like this, so you have to either sign up or sign in, like depending if you are doing it for the first time. So I will sign in. So once you sign in, this is the page you will get. So here you have to click enroll your iOS device in the get started menu, and once you enroll your device, click on open beta updates. So this here you can see you already have the option of iOS 18 public beta. Even in case if you don't see this update, what you can do is just go into software update, and in the beta updates, if you click, you will be already getting this iOS 18 public beta update. So click on this, go back. Here you can see it is already giving me iOS 18 beta update, and it is asking for storage. Already got this iOS 18 beta public update, and the size is 6.74 GB, and it can vary depending upon your device. So here we can directly get in the option update now. It has already started the downloading process, and this is how you will install the iOS 18 beta public update. So in the next video I will talk about the iOS beta public update and its features. So thanks for watching.